Using the Dext app, formerly known as Receipt Bank, involves capturing, processing, and managing receipts, invoices, and other financial documents for your business. Here's a quick guide to get started. Sign up and log in. Download the Dext app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up for an account or log in with your existing credentials. Capture documents. Camera capture. Use the app's camera feature to take photos of receipts and invoices. Upload files. Upload existing digital receipts and invoices from your phone's gallery, email, or cloud storage. Submit documents. After capturing or uploading a document, submit it to Dext for processing. You can also forward email invoices directly to a unique Dext email address provided to you. Processing documents. Dext extracts key information from the documents, such as supplier, date, amount, and tax. Review the extracted data to ensure accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. Categorize and code. Assign the document to appropriate expense categories or accounts. Add any additional notes or labels for better organization and tracking. Integration with accounting software. Connect Dext to your accounting software. Sync processed documents and data directly to your accounting platform, ensuring all transactions are recorded accurately. Manage documents. Use the app to review and manage all your submitted documents. Search for specific receipts or invoices using filters and keywords. Reports and insights. Generate reports on expenses, suppliers, and other financial metrics. Use insights to better understand your business spending and make informed decisions.